Hello viewers, myself Dr. Vindoo and I am Senior Homeopathic Physician at Nation Care Homeo Clinic, HSR, Bangalore. You would have noticed some bluish discoloration in your thighs, let that be gents or especially the females, a bluish spider web like thing in your thighs and the legs. Have you noticed standing for longer time, you have this calf muscle pain? Have you noticed some bulges in your veins which you don't have any kind of symptoms? That's what we call it as varicose veins. What are these varicose veins which are, we can say, trending nowadays, where a lot of people are trying to, get rid of this varicose veins in spite of not having any symptoms? We know our heart pumps the blood through the arteries to the rest of the part of the bodies. Exactly in a similar manner, the arteries which carries the oxygenated blood, the veins which carries the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body to the upper part of the body. So we know that the blood has to flow against the gravity. So what happens is, it's not so easy for the blood to flow against the gravity. So veins is something, they have a speciality. They have something called as small valves which are one way open. So what happens is, due to the muscle contraction, especially in the lower part of the legs, the muscle contraction, the blood is pushed upward. So obviously, if it is a very simple pipe-like structure, the blood will again come back to its normal position, that is towards the down part of the body. But the valves which opens actually immediately closes. So in numerous places in the veins, there are valves. So what happens is, this valve, the opening and closing process as well as the contraction of the muscles helps the veins to take the blood from the lower part of the body to the upper part of the body for further purification. But in cases where we see a lot of obesity issues, where you're overweight and there is a lot of pressure in the veins, or in pregnant females where again there is a lot of pressure, or in standing, when you stand, for example in a working pattern, like you have to stand for hours together, or even seating working patterns, the gravity pull is so strong that blood fails to go up, rather it pulls down, and that causes failure in the valves, due to which the blood is unable to flow upward. And as we know, the veins are elastic kind of material, so the excess pooling of the blood causes coiling of the veins, which is seen underneath your skin. And as the vein carries deoxygenated blood, the veins are seen like bluish and greenish. When the peripheral veins are affected, very small veins, we would see like a spider web which might not have any symptoms. But in kind of little deeper veins, where again you can see it on your skin, and the big veins gets affected, due to which the impure blood which is accumulated cause a severe crampy pain in your calf muscles or legs. Due to the blood accumulation, you also have swelling in the legs. So there are different grades, there are 5 grades, from the grade 1 to grade 5. So based on the intensity or the amount of blood that is pooling in, you can develop eczema on the peripheral part of the skin, that is varicose eczema. And also when these varicose increases, it can burst and the blood can flow, ooze out, which is dark colored blood, and then further it can lead to varicose ulcers. So it is from grade 1 to grade 5. There are various grades of varicose we can see. And underneath, when you have some other ailments like diabetes, so this can complicate and cause diabetic ulcers also. So homeopathic treatment approach, whether it is grade 1 of varicose, whether spider veins, or the grade 5 where you also have varicose ulcers, homeopathy have beautiful way of treating you. And some changes, you can wear stockings which will help you to compress and give some support to the veins, and keeping your legs elevated will help easy way of the blood flowing upward. The stocking usage or the elevated legs when you're lying down, and the stockings should not be worn when you're sleeping, but when you're standing or when you're working, you can wear these stockings. Along with that, homeopathic treatment will help you to strengthen the veins, and the pooled blood which is accumulated, we also help you proper blood circulation. And if it's already been ulcerated also, with homeopathic treatment we can help you for the fast healing of the ulcer and completely get rid away of this varicose veins.